Katyayani, born from the combined energy of gods to defeat Mahisasur. My origin is in fire, courage, and unstoppable power. I show that when a woman rises, she inspires others to rise with her. Today, I live in every woman who dares to challenge the unfair rules, who steps forward to lead, and who shapes her own path. My teaching is this: true strength is in action, in courage, and in standing tall. When a woman rises, she inspires others to rise with her.